Hi guys! So today I'm gonna be doing a book discussion about Mockingjay by Susan Collins. If you haven't read this book, turn this off because it will contain all these spoilers. So yeah, turn this off. So yeah, in this book, I took a little bit of while to finish this book. Probably a lot. I'm a slow reader, I have to say, but it was like I took like 2 months to finish this book. Like, it was a lot of time for me to read this book, just because it was so slow. Like, it really was so slow. Like, I didn't like that part, but the last couple of chapters, it got me like crazy, like I didn't know what to expect. And you were going to the last chapter, and there are still a lot of things to resolve. Like, you didn't even know like who's Katniss staying with, like, until the last chapter. Like, yeah. I'm so glad she stayed with Peeta. Like, I'm so happy for that. Those two are like love, and she was right about one thing. Gale was too much fire, and Peeta was the one who, he was less negative, and he was really positive. And the way he talked, yeah, it made her like feel like she wants to live, and like that, those kind of things. But I noticed Katniss was very sad, like very sad in this whole book. Even in the last chapter, I noticed her that she was like kind of like sad. She was still having like bad dreams. But sometimes Katniss like really did annoy me. Just because it was like so negative. Like, she was so negative. And okay, I must have said like I'm very negative person too. But I don't know. She was like over the edge. So yeah, another thing that I have to say about this book has to be, I really cry. I mean, I was very angry, but when Prim died, because oh my god, like, she was the main reason of Katniss entering into the games. I obviously can relate to Katniss when she was with Buttercup, and she was like, she's dead, like, I could really relate to her, because like that was like the main reason she did all the things she did. And I don't know, it was like unfair for Prim to die. Like, it was so unfair. Like, I almost cut the book in half because I was very mad about that. And Finnick has to die. I know, I cry. Like, I cry, literally I cry. But he died for a good reason, so yeah. And another thing that I have to say about this, it's Peeta's mental disorientation towards Katniss. And I love the way it turns out, like the game of true or false. I really love that. That really is, that part is when I really get attached to the book. Like, that was the part when I get attached to the book. And Gale was such a jerk. Like, he was a jerk. Like, he was a jerk. Like, I don't know. Like, he was so mean to Katniss. Like, sometimes I wish like he wasn't there, because Katniss was like very bad. Like, he was, I don't know. And Gale like was too much fire for her, and yeah. And then another thing that I didn't like was, I thought like Christina Snow wasn't that like scary in this book. Except for the part when she went to his office and stuff, that was scary. But other than that, when he died, like, it was like, oh, he's dead, like nothing special. And I didn't understand, if you could put it under down bar, on the down comments. Can you please explain me how does she kill Coin? Because I didn't understand. Like, it was so fast. Like, I read it over and over again, and I still don't understand how she killed Coin. Like, or why. Like, why does she kill Coin? Like, what's the point? I didn't understand that. But yeah, I get 3.5 stars to this book. And yeah, I'm currently reading right now City of Glass by Cassandra Clare. And yeah, I'm currently reading that. And it's so good, like it's so good. The second book, it got me like I didn't like this book. I'm gonna put my review of City of Ashes down the down bar, but this is the third book of the Mortal Instruments series, and I'm really loving it. I don't know, just I really love, and I really love the new character. um yeah, he's hot. Is the one of the cover. And yeah, if you haven't read this, I totally recommend you do. Um, the stories are very good. The second book, it was kind of like a let down, but the other books are really good. I haven't read City of Fallen Angels. I will do that too. I will read that too. But the first book is the one here. It's City of Bones. And yeah, the second book, City of Ashes, and this is the third book. So yeah, I'm going today, actually, like right now, to the movies. I'm gonna see Paranormal Activity 3. If you have seen this movie, please put something about it. Discuss it. I don't know. Put something if it's good or bad, or if it's like that scary, because I don't know, like I haven't seen a scary movie in the movies before, like never ever. I'm like a scary puppy, I know. But yeah, I'm going to see it because my crush is going there, so yeah. It's like so cute. Oh my god. And yeah, I'm wearing this like tank top, and I'm wearing this blue, like royal blue cardigan. This color is very in for fall, so if you're looking for a cardigan or top, this color is very cute. And yeah, it has like kind of like a diamonds. I got this from Express. I think they still have these sweaters if you want to go there. And I got blue eyeliner. I know this is not a beauty video, but I still want to show you my shoes. Ah! Like it matched perfectly, like it's so cute. So yeah, and I'm wearing black jeans, so yeah, black skinny jeans. So thank you so much for watching. And another thing, if you want a review of this book, put it on the down bar. And if you have any requests, any tag you want for me to do, any ideas for me, that will be perfect. And also I'll probably order some books next month. So like 3 days, like I don't know, in 3 days, and I'll post a book haul soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm sorry I leave you so low, for so long. Sorry for my English. Bye.